Yesterday, I made a FB post, and it was on how a small business can get consistent new clients, okay, new customers. And as I've experienced this myself personally, and there are ways to get your clients consistently, and each time you need to have new clients coming in. That is how businesses operate, how they work, how they function. So in order to get new clients, we see that most people do post, make your FB posts, and then you also post in groups, which is good, which is necessary, because no matter what you do, the posting must be there so that people get to know what you're doing. But behind this, behind your posting, there is something that is very, very much more important, right? I'm just going to show, yesterday I did the post with just pictures. Today I'm going to show you a video and show exactly actually how it works, all right? Okay, by the way, my name is Victor. I've got about 30 years of experience in the marketing line, and that is including the offline and online. Online, I have about nearly 20 years. So my specialty is on local SEO, and I have used this. I'm not a theory man, I'm a practical guy. I've used it for my business, and the last 10 years, I've enjoyed considerable amount of business, clients, and income from this one method that I used. And I did only this one method and nothing else, just this one method. And 10 years, I had a comfortable life with this, all right? So I'm going to show you behind these postings and all that, all right, which is also necessary. You need to do one thing, that is, you have to place your business in front of the traffic that wants to buy. That means we are talking about targeted traffic. Targeted traffic means the traffic that actually looking for your product, actually who want to buy your product. You can put as a post, or you can even make a paid advertisement. So it will reach many people, but not everybody are in the need at that particular time. So if you want to get customers who are actually in the need at that particular time, to me, I feel the best way, one of the best way is you put it in Google. That is, you call it SEO, search engine optimization. That means you put inside search engine. Who are the people who go to the search engine? All the people, anyone who's actually looking for something or who want to buy something, go to the search engine. And at that particular time, if your page is shown to them, then you have a 78% likelihood of they buying your product, all right? So this is a stat from Google. And if you see, what you need to do is some simple strategies, and you can do it, and it is free. You can put your site in front of the real buyers. So the customers, the traffic that you get into your, either the website or your Facebook, it's all genuine customers, and almost that, as the stat says, 78% of the people will actually buy from you, all right? Now, this is the best way that I have found, I have enjoyed. That is, instead of we looking for customer at all times, customer look for us. So, but of course, everybody will say this is a long term. Yeah, of course, when you want to be in business, you want long term, right? You want your name to be established. You want your company to come up, rank as #1 in Google. So if you rank #1, obviously, you get lots of business coming in, right? Now, I have shown yesterday a simple business. That was a cake business, and it is a home-based business. And this business do not even have a website, all right? It's only a Facebook link. So without a website, home-based, they can still come up, and they can still have a very good, customer flow, views on their pages, engagement on their pages, and customer flow, all right? Now I'm going to show you the business, and I want to show you how many unique people are actually viewing it. This business is listed in Google SEO for less than a month. It's about 22 days or 23 days or so, all right? So I'm going to share my screen, and I'm going to show you where they stand, all right? Let's look at Google. Huh? Let's see what they say. Okay. Now this, when we do this Google search, this is local SEO. So from my place to this cake business is a little distance away. All right. If I put there, say cake Ipoh. In their place, when they're based in Tasik, and in Tasik, they come out as the first in their first position. All right, in Tasik, they come out as the first position. But from my side, they're coming out something like about 11th position. All right, this is the one. All right. From my side, from Meru, it is coming out as about 11th side. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, 8 position. Okay, rank at 8 position, still on the first page. This is called first page. First page, all first 10 result are first page. From their location, when they key in, they are seeing it on the first ranking. All right. Okay. Now just let us look at what they get. This is the one. Okay. I just want to see the insights. Simple. Just want to show you something very simple. Okay. If you look at this, how customers search for your business, right? This is direct. Okay. Direct means people who find your business profile searching for your business name. That means they know you. They know your business. They know you. So they search for your company name. And that's only 2.8%. Now, discovery. People who find your business profile searching for a category or product or service. That means, like just now, I put there as a cake Ipoh. That means I'm looking for a product, right? Or you put a category like bakery or cake store, cake shop, like that. So these are all considered new customers, new people. So you just imagine you got about 287 searches. 287 people have viewed your page, and these are all unique and new people. So when we do a normal posting, do we get this kind of views? Do we get? No. This, and also you must understand that the people who search this are the people who are actually looking for that product. So this is how I did for my business earlier. It was a wedding planning business. And for 10 years, I had no problem. I had not done any sort of advertisement. I enjoyed this. So if you have not done this, you see, they give you a breakdown, right? Listing on search, listing on map. So people are also looking, you see, look at that. They also have people searching for you on the normal search as well as on the map. That means they want to know where you are based. All right. Okay. This is what the client. So people request your website. They go to your website. Website means in this case is Facebook. All right. Because they don't have a website, so it's Facebook. And then they request direction. So this person has actually gone and looked for this cake baker. All right. So this is a total action taken, but it's new. The business is only about 22 years old in this Google listing. All right. So if you get your company listed, your business listed like this, your chances of getting a lot of customers, because posting as you do is good, you should do, and this also counts for your ranking. All right. There also counts for the ranking. So here it shows you the location, and then it gives you, see, it's not enough data. Why not enough data? Is because only 22 days, not even a month yet, right? Okay. So they also tell you, okay, number of times your business photos have been viewed. Okay, you look at it, this one is 441 times, whereas other businesses, 12.6K. All right. So what you need to do? They say post more photos. So your photos is not enough. Okay, as you know, this business is only about just a month old, less than a month old. So they keep updating their photos and they will get their result. Okay, this is the end of the inside page. So you can see from here, especially this will tell you that you are getting new people in, people who are searching for the product, right? So this is where I'm saying customer look for you and not you look for customer. And this has worked very well for me. And I am actually introducing this to you. It is up to you. Okay. Before I end this video, I like to show what is the result for about 3 months for the same business, the result for the last 3 months. So I'll share back the screen. And you can see the result, and you can see the number of unique clients they've got. Right, we'll start a new listing. Okay, so see the number of unique visitors to their page. Okay, this is less than 3 months. This result is less than 3 months. And you can see here, the views they've got is 1.7K, searches 1.5K, total activity 3.5K. Imagine this result you are just getting on a passive basis. You don't have to do anything. You did not do any hard work. All you did was the first setting, and after that, this is what you receive. And the number of calls, number of clients, number of visitors to your physical store. So this is the power of local SEO, right? Okay, I wish all of you do this and enjoy the benefits of local SEO, right? And it is free. It is totally free. You don't have to spend a single cent on this. Okay, at the end of this video, there's an end clip where you can click on another video where you can see how to get your Google My Business done, right? If you want to follow, you want to get it done, you want to do step by step, you can just follow it, right? Okay, so that's about it on this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time, and all the best to you. Bye. Thank you.